almost about ready to be pulled out. Fan's gone, cooling system obviously. Power steering hoses need to be moved. I need to unbolt there. Hoses are out the way. No more fuel lines. Carburetor's ready to roll. The rear diff is out. Draining the trans. That's ready to be pulled. I'm gonna drop the transmission and then pull the motor whoop, straight up there. And we're ready to roll. Oh yeah. All right, new day. The 360 is all done. Getting ready to mount it to the transmission. That is the 727 that came with it. So I just need to tighten things up and see if I can homemade bench it, I guess. Just put power and see if I can run it for a second before I drop it in the Duster. Super excited. The time has finally come. But I decided to keep everything for now, at least. And we'll see how it runs. I just want to change it. The 225 slant has like zero compression, runs like shit. It's just tired, needs a rebuild. So that will come out and I'll rebuild it and throw it on the side. But what has me amazed is check out these rear shock mounts. I guess that's what you can call them. I think they're from like a Mercury or a Cougar, whatever they're called. Look at it. It's kind of annoying because of the fact that there is no upper shock mounts. So I don't know if I should just change them back or if there's a benefit to having these. Look at that leaf spring, it's seen better days. But I mean, if you know anything, well, you can't see anything there thanks to the Black Widows, but if I should leave those, if there's any benefit, but we'll see. We will see. I do need to have the power steering gear rebuilt. There's so much play, it's suicide. But let's get this done. Let's move.